Mold growth inside air ducts can seriously mess up your home's air quality and health if you don't handle it right. So, first off, if you spot mold in your air ducts, don't try to mess with it yourself because it can spread spores all over. Always hire professional mold remediation experts who know how to safely remove the mold without making things worse. Next, make sure your home's ventilation is on point. Good airflow helps keep mold from settling in those ducts. You can open windows when weather allows or use exhaust fans in kitchens and bathrooms to get rid of extra moisture. Controlling humidity levels is super important too. Aim to keep indoor humidity below 50% because mold loves damp places. Using a dehumidifier in damp areas like basements can really help with this. Also, regularly change your HVAC filters and get your ducts cleaned by pros every couple of years to avoid mold buildup. Lastly, fix any leaks around your home quickly because even small water problems can feed mold growth in air ducts. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with mold in air ducts is trying to clean it themselves, which often spreads spores and makes the problem worse. The fix? Always call certified mold remediation professionals who have the right tools and safety gear. Another issue is poor ventilation. When homes don't have enough airflow, humidity stays high, and that's prime mold territory. Improving ventilation with fans or opening windows can solve this. Lastly, many folks ignore humidity control, letting moisture levels creep up and creating a perfect environment for mold. Using a reliable humidistat or dehumidifier can stop that in its tracks and keep your ducts dry and clean. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot where homeowners can find trusted local contractors who are pros at stuff like mold remediation and duct cleaning. It also helps contractors connect with people who need their services, making things easier for everyone involved.